Tired of flipping through sheet after sheet just to total your monthly sales? What if I told you Excel can total across all your sheets with just one formula? In today's video, I'll show you how to calculate totals across multiple sheets in Excel. Okay, let's dive right in. Let's imagine this scenario. You're a sales manager tracking monthly revenue. You have 7 worksheets, January to July. Each sheet looks like this. Now we want to create a summary sheet that automatically calculates the total sales for each product across all 7 months. First, create a new sheet and name it Summary. In column A, list your products. Now, click on cell B2 next to product 1. Enter this formula. Start by typing equals sum. Click on the January sheet tab. Hold Shift, then click on the July tab. This selects all the monthly sheets. Then click on the cell B2 in the active sheet. Close the formula. This tells Excel to look in cell B2 across all sheets from January to July. Finally, hit Enter. You've just totaled product 1 sales across 7 months in one formula. Now, just drag that formula down to get totals for other products. You now have a clean, dynamic summary table. Want to make sure you don't miss any new sheets added later? Instead of using January to July, create blank buffer sheets named Start and End. Just like this. Now, any sheet added between Start and End is automatically included in the total. It's a great technique when dealing with 12+ months or department sheets. And that's it. Please like, share, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more clear, practical Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching.